As a second wave of COVID-19 infections paralyzes India, one of its leading pharma firms is racing to find solutions. Zydus Cadila, also known as Cadila Healthcare, has a vaccine in late-stage trials. It hopes to apply for emergency authorization later this month. It also has a drug to treat moderate cases of COVID-19, which was granted emergency use authorization just last week. And joining us now is Sharvil Patel. He's Managing Director of Zydus Group. Sharvil, fantastic to have you on the show. Let's talk about that antiviral agent first. Virafin, I believe is the name. Just explain how it works.
So thank you, Julia, for having me on. We're very excited with the results of our clinical study that just got over and we got emergency use. So, interferons are the naturally occurring proteins in a human body. And for any kind of virus infection, the first line of defense is for the body to produce interferons, which removes stops the virus replication and allows the immune system to remove the virus. I think this we could prove both in our in vitro and in vivo studies. So we did an in vitro study which showed that this is significantly more potent than any of the antivirals that are currently used for the treatment of COVID. So that was the first positive thing. This treatment has always been used for hepatitis B and C, which are other viruses. So we knew that this works against multiple viruses. Same is what we could prove when we did a patient study in India in moderate cases, where we showed that we reduced the virus replication and removal by showing RT-PCR negative in 8 days. We showed a 2-point improvement on the WHO ordinance scale of improvement, which is significant. We showed less oxygenation requirement for the patients who were taking Virafin, and also other symptoms were reduced, and the number of days of hospitalization was reduced. All of that was done against standard of care. And in India, standard of care includes treatments which are steroids, maybe remdesivir and others. And we have cohort analysis against all of these with conjunction with Virafin and used independently. And all in all of the data, either we are equivocal or statistically significantly better. So that gives us the confidence that use of this in early treatment can help patients a lot. And the beauty of this product is that it's a single dose, which helps in terms of convenience of dosing, and it can be given by any medical practitioner.
Wow. Okay, so it stops the shedding of the virus. It helps the body's own immune system fight back and protect itself as well. Just give us a sense, if you can, how quickly, once somebody's been diagnosed with COVID, how quickly, what's the window that they get